There's been times where I've talked about how I don't trade on Mondays. I try to demand a whole lot from the market on Monday for the purpose of using it on Tuesday and the rest of the week for directional bias, targets, draws on liquidity, that type of thing. There are times when I don't want to trade on Fridays, and a Friday that has had a really big run up, and on Thursday, say it completes the 20 or 30% retracement on the weekly range, which it didn't. It didn't do that. It did it this morning by trading here. So when it did that retracement like that, that's 20% of the weekly range. If it were to do a 20% retracement on a Thursday, when do I avoid trading Friday? When it does that. I don't care what the market does on a Friday in that instance. Then if I have a big weekly range, the candle's been rather elongated and it's larger than the normal weekly ranges have been. If that's true, and then on Thursday, before Thursday's close, we had at any time a 20% of that weekly range retrace, I will not trade on a Friday, because you'll get this type of day here. Whereas we did get the 20% retracement here, because we got that, when you have that, it tends to create these types of days or sessions. And because it's Friday and it did it in the morning session of Friday, that means after that 20% retracement, then the market can become very fickle. It means that it's back and forth, and it becomes very problematic to see a very easy sustained price run or a large number of opportunities intraday. Whereas a day that's not like this and not one-sided like yesterday, where you can trade both directions. The 1 minute chart gives you a lot of freedom to navigate up and down, and you can get multiple opportunities to measure 10 or 15, 20 point or handle runs and get a lot of experience and practice. And that practice becomes your model, your repertoire. And then when you have a funded account or you're trading with real money, you'll know what you're doing because you can identify the market conditions. Oh, this is a market that's going to give me some movement today.